Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of C++ programming. So today we will be discussing about booleans. Very often in programming you will need a data type that can only have two values like true or false, on or off, yes or no. So for this C++ has a bool data type which can take the values true as 1 or false as 0. Okay, so a boolean variables it can be declared with bool keyword and can take only the values true or false. Okay, so like I have declared a data type which is bool. Now I am giving the value of this as is coding fun is equal to, so I have told earlier the value could be either true or either false. Okay, so suppose I am giving the value as true. You cannot give any other value rather than true or false. Okay, so let's do another thing. Bool is reading fun. So suppose someone don't like reading too much, so for him the value will be false. So let me make you clear one thing again, that is the boolean value can take only two values, either it can be true, either it can be false. So if I try to give any values which is rather than true or false like 5, you can't give this value. It should be either true or either false. Okay, so let us see what it gives us the output. Suppose I am trying to print out is coding fun, and in the next line I will try to print out is reading fun. Okay, so let me see what will be the output of this program. I'm running the program. Okay, it's taking a little bit of time. You can see here the value is 1 and 0. It's not 10. Okay, it has printed the output in the same line, that's why you are seeing it as 10. Okay, suppose I want to give here a end line here. Okay, now it will print on the separate line, I guess. Okay, yeah, now see the one value is, the first result is 1 and the second result is 0. That means the value of true is 1 and the value of false is 0. Okay, so this is the basics of Boolean data types. So let us summarize again what we have learned, that there is a value or data type which takes true or false as the value, and you can only declare its you can only assign value, either it can be true, either it can be false. Okay, and the result for true it will be 1 and for false it will represent as 0. Okay, so you have seen for this example that the true value returns 1 and the false value return 0. So however, it's more common to return a Boolean value by comparing values and variables. Okay, so we have learned that a Boolean expression returns a Boolean value either than 1 or 0. So this is useful to build logic and find answers. You can use the comparison operator such as greater than sign operator to find out if an expression is true or false. So let's see it by example. Okay, how we can use the greater than operator to find out the expression. Suppose I have two values. One is x, okay, and x value will be like 17, and another value which is y, and which value will be 15. Okay, so I want to see which value is the greatest. Okay, so I am giving C out x greater than y. Okay, so what should be my output? Is x is greater than y? Yes, x is greater than y, and the result for this will be true, right? And which binary represents the true value? 1, right? So our output should return 1. So let's see what is our output by running the program again. You can see our output is 1. That means yes, x is greater than y. Okay. Now let us see, if I say that x is less than y, is this statement true or false? Is x less than y? Yes, x is less than y. That means this statement, this x is greater than y, but this statement is false. Here I want to check the condition that x is less than y. Is it true or false? That means the answer should return false, right? So now let us run the program again. I'm running the program. You can see it has answered 0. That means the 1 is represent for true and the 0 represents the false. Whenever any statement you are checking, if it returns a true value, you will get the answer as 1, and if it returns the false value, you will get the answer as 0. Okay, so that's all you have to know about the Boolean function. I will discuss more about C++ programming topics in my future lecture videos.